ordered about $30 worth of craft supplies from Temu. And the reason why I did that was a couple of reasons. A lot of the gals on my list are on a fixed income, on a budget. And so if this stuff isn't any good, I do want to make sure to let them know so they're not wasting their money. And also, if it is good, then maybe we can find some stuff that we could have them be able to afford. It takes longer to get here, but maybe it's some stuff that they could use. All right, what's this big one? Oh, look at all these washi tapes. Ooh, look, there's some pretty ones in here. They're like a fall washi tape. Let's see what the quality's like. Oh, it's pretty good. It actually feels stickier than normal washi tape, but mine was getting low on like neutrals, and I keep all my washi tape. I'm almost out of room for washi tape in this big bucket. So I love that this has some really wide edge washi tape. So I think that that was a good value. And I would love to say that I'm going to go back and tell you the prices of everything. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but if I can, I will. Oh my gosh, this is a little metal thing that I got as a YouTuber to hold my pages open, right? So if I have a journal where I could hold my page open, I kind of love that so much. And this is metal. I don't know that I'd let my granddaughter play with it, but for a grown-up, I think it's good. Okay, what's this? This is, I think these are little clear, this is not going to make good YouTube fodder, but I think this is little pieces of clear, oh, let's see what it is. Yeah, this is little clear pieces of, you can kind of see through it, which I thought would be fun to use like as a peep through or something like that. I don't know for sure. Maybe I'll do, if you leave messages in the bottom, I'll make a video where we use the stuff. Okay, what is this? This looks like washi tape. It's on a little washi tape bun that's like newsprint. That's fun. All right, these are, oh my goodness. I ordered jump rings. This is your normal thing that happens when you buy from the internet. Okay. Oh, these aren't jump rings. Hold on. Where's my jump rings? Oh, they're in the other place. I bet you I have some in here. So my normal Tim Holtz jump rings are about 3 times the size of these, right? These are not anything I will probably ever use. I think they would be good for jewelry making, but they're not something that is going to be helpful for my artwork because they're super, super tiny. These guys are cool. These are little paper clips. Those are fun. And they have a little heart on them. I will totally use those in my journals. Good value. And these are bigger than I thought they would be. That's so funny. So my normal brads are like these 2 sizes. And these are like 3 times as big. So I would say that if you have something in mind that you want to, don't use your teeth. Your dad paid a lot for those teeth to open your packages. So if you had something in mind, I would not order from there. I would order where you had a better idea. And these are super, super cheap. Like these are not a very good quality at all. But I have a little jar where I put my brads in. I would not order those again. That was not worth it. Okay, let's see. What are these? From the Kitchen of. Little tags. I thought this was going to be little mason jar things. So this was not worth it. Not worth it. These guys, let's see. I love these belly clips. If you're used to Tim Holtz value of these little belly clips, you're not going to love these, but these are really affordable. I've gotten those from AliExpress before, and sometimes you can get a really good value from those. So I would order those again. Let's see, these look fancy. I think these are book edges, like the corners of books. Oh, they are the corners of books. And these are very lightweight. And in this case, I'm happy they're lightweight. Because like a lot of times, I will get these and they are super heavy thick. And it's hard to get them on the book. Now, that having been said, they were a little bent. But I would get these again in a heartbeat. Those are a good value. All right, what are these? I kind of think I got some things that I wasn't supposed to get. These are, oh, those are for when you're making notes in a book. Those are little, well, I'll give those to my kids for their school. Those are nice. Tabs. Maybe I could use them in my journal. They could be cute. We have this that is some ephemera. See what it is. It is it supposed to be, it's not, yes, it's supposed to be translucent. This one's maybe stuck together. This one's not very translucent. Some of them are super, here, let me get that out of the way. Some of them are super translucent and some of them aren't. I think these were very affordable. If I had a little project where I wanted to use those, I would get these again. They're very lightweight. They're not a hardy paper. All right, what's this? It's been months since I ordered this. So I ordered it and it took forever to come in, and then it took me forever to make this video. Okay, these are translucent too. Okay, this, the printing's pretty good. The colors are really good, kind of a vintage look. Wow, that's really kind of pretty. I would get this way faster than I would get those. So I feel like the second batch is a real value. I'm going to put them in my little paper store place that I have right here so I don't lose them. Yay me. All right, and then this is last but not least. And these are bee charms. And boy, I got a variety of bee charms. Oh, these are nice. Oh, look at that one. That's a very fancy one with, oh, I got two of those. So did I get two of everything? Two of those, two of those, two of those. These are really quite nice. Little baby ones. More little baby ones. Those two go together. I think I got two of everything. These are a real value. I would buy these again. Yep, two of every one. So I feel like if I had to pick all the metal bits, which is what I normally order from AliExpress anyways, it takes a really long time for them to come, but it's a great way to build up your stash. Just check and make sure you're not ordering these, like you're not ordering a size that you don't want. I don't know what this is. It's not a value. These are going to be, like, I think this is going to be really cool when I figure out what I want to do with it, but that's kind of a gizmo thing. I think I wanted to emboss them. I love this, and then I love the translucent paper, so I think there were some real value things, and I think, oh, the washi tape was good too. I think there was, if I had to pick and I was on a fixed budget, I would get the metal things before I would get anything else, because I do think you can find paper and stuff at the thrift store or on sale with Michael's coupons. But finding the metal bits is sometimes harder. And then this thing is my favorite ever. Hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.